Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Hi, so in this video we are going to solve this Power Query challenge. I'll put the website URL in the description. You can watch this video to get the idea about this Power Query challenge. Now, so basically the challenge is that we have table lookup and we have a table data. So in this table data, we have duplicate entry and that is fine. But in this table lookup, if we have a duplicate entry, then we want to get this kind of output, that duplicate lookup values and then C and then pipe and then D. Okay? And if we don't have any duplicates value, then we want to merge this table and this table. Okay? This table lookup. So basically we want to get this kind of output, that item and then unit and then name, whatever the name of this item, and then cost. So this is a table, this is another table. So this is table data. So I'll take this in Power Query. So Control Alt A P T. Now I don't need this change step, so I'll just keep this one and I'll create a connection instead of dumping it somewhere else. And so Control Alt A P T, same, I don't want to change this, so this will be a connection as well. So let's try to create the basic steps. So I'll get rid of this row, so table rows. Now I'll just merge these two query into a new query. So combine merge query as a new, and this is going to my table data, this is going to be my table lookup. Now item is the matching criteria, all from first, matching from second, that's okay. And this is the output. So I'll just get rid of this one, and then press OK. Now this is our no duplicates. This will be a connection as well. So this will be used if there is no duplicates. Now that's the tricky part, that we need to find that where we have the duplicates. Now so I'll open this again. Now I'll create a new query, blank query, and then what I'll do, I'll just say okay, get this table data and then item column, I guess. So this is the table data. I need to find the distinct of this, so list dot distinct. So that is this one. So it will give me all the distinct item list from this table data. Now I'll do the same thing for table lookup. So list, not list or distinct, so table lookup and then item. So that is this one. I'll convert this into a table. I'll just group by count rows, and that's fine. And then I'll do this filtering, number filter greater than 1. I'll get rid of this row and I'll keep this row, so drill it down. So this is going to be my duplicate items in lookup table. This should be a step name, so let's see. I'll change the name of this query. So this is that duplicate items in lookup table. Now I'll do this list dot select, and I'm saying that select from the source, that means this table data item and unique one, and I'm saying okay, if this present in this duplicate list. So that is going to be this list. Select and then underscore. Now this is saying error because we cannot convert the value a to type function. Okay, let's say list dot select and let's see select contains. So it's saying blank. So this is a blank list. It says our duplicate items. Now I can say text dot combine, and this is going to be my text list, and the delimiter is the 5 characters. So that is this one, and this is blank, and this is fine. So duplicate item text. So I can just rename this one to this. Now I'll create the final query. So this is our result if not duplicates. This is our source, state join, and then duplicated. Now final query, new query, blank query, blank query. Okay, so in this one duplicates item in text. So if this is then result not duplicates. Let's keep it like this. So it's returning this result. Now the else case. So the else case is that we need to find the column header of this. We need to create a table with the same header like this, and then there will be values. So we can reference. That's good. Let's all of this as a connection as well. Now in this one I need to create a table out of this, and I need to set duplicate lookup values C and D, right? So the C and D is the list items. So let's add a new entry here. Let's keep it apple 20 or something, whatever we want. Now go into this section. Now we get this A, right? So now I need to create a table. So there is a table, do it different way. So we can say result if not duplicated, and we can say table dot column names. So that is this one, and then this is the column names. Now we can say table, and this is the columns, and then we need to create this. So duplicate lookup value, and we need to create another one, that is duplicate item text. Let's see, right parent expected. So okay, what is this? For query specified one value are provided. Okay, so in this case we need to specify them. So null, null, and null. So 3 null. So lookup value, duplicate lookup value, and there is nulls. So that is this table. So this is result if duplicate. So in this final query I can say instead of else result if duplicate. So that is this one, this guy. So this is our final output, and you can load this one. So load to table new offset. Yes. Let's load here so we can see side by side. So table existing offset, and this is fine. Now let's say I do have f and whatever this 23. If I run refresh, so I'm still seeing a. So if I say f 32 and if I press refresh, so I get a and then dash and then f. So this is working fine. If I delete all of this, now refresh, so I get the final output as expected. So this is all for this video. If you have suggestion or question, feel free to comment. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.